In this video, I want to go over the Apple event that just happened right now that announced the iPhone 13 and a bunch of other stuff, including an iPad. And I want to explain why you shouldn't really upgrade to the new iPhone if you have, let's say, an iPhone 12. As why shouldn't you do that? First of all, I want to go over the event. In the event, they announced a bunch of things. They announced the iPhone 13 Pro. They announced the iPhone 13, the regular one, the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Also, the Apple Watch Series 7. Also, the iPad Mini and the regular iPad. Those are the four main things they announced. Obviously, they announced a bunch of new features coming to iPhone and whatever. A bunch of sports things that came with the Apple Watch Series 7. But in general, they announced those stuff. Also, if we look at the prices, we have the iPhones. We have the iPhone 13 Pro at $999 and the iPhone 13 at $699. Also, we can obviously see the prices of the if we go to see the iPad, they announced the iPad Mini will be at $499 and the regular iPad at $329. All of that is in dollars. Also, if we go and see the watch, I'm not sure if they announced the price yet. Here, we can see here, nope, they haven't announced the price yet of the Watch Series 7. We don't have a price yet. But for now, if we go back to the iPhone, we can see here that the iPhone 13 didn't get that many upgrades. As if we go to the Apple event and we see the iPhone 13 and what they announced, they obviously announced a new display, bit better cameras, a bunch of the typical stuff, better battery life, better processor, faster, a bunch of stuff. But overall, it's just minor upgrades. If you're going to upgrade to the Pro, you are going to get a bigger upgrade. You're going to get the 120Hz display. That is a variable refresh rate. That means it would not only that would change its refresh rate to do with how many hertz you need to use. Okay, but in general, that's not a massive upgrade between the iPhone 12 to iPhone 13. And that's why I recommend that anyone that wants to upgrade now to the iPhone 13 shouldn't really do it if you have an iPhone 12. If you have an iPhone 6, go do it right now. It's a great iPhone. But they haven't done a major upgrade. This is not something that is not new because iPhone and Apple in general don't normally upgrade their stuff on a general basis. It's not every single time you're going to see a major upgrade. They always upgrade very small. Anyways, the event in general was a very good event, I do say so. But they didn't come with a lot of new things and new features that you would want to upgrade for. That's why I do recommend that if you're gonna upgrade to the new iPhone 13, as you can see here, you shouldn't be doing it if you already have, let's say, an iPhone 12, because it's not that big of an upgrade. If you want to upgrade, go do it. And if you have the money, go do it also, and stuff like that. That's great, you can upgrade. But if you don't really need the upgrade and you already have, let's say, an iPhone 12, iPhone 11, as you shouldn't really upgrade, it's not really worth it so much because the upgrade isn't that big. But if you do need the extra battery life and whatever, go upgrade. It's a great choice. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when we come out with new videos.